Given you say you were the first one from your lab who was working in machine learning, was it hard to figure out the management side of these things? Because that's one piece which is still broken.
To be very honest with you, I think there were no expectations at all back at that time. Because of course, machine learning research was already a big community, but it was mostly driven around developing new architectures, developing new algorithms. It had less focus on the application. Research was more focused on the algorithms. So in the end, talking to companies who could use that product, they had actually no expectations at all. They were just like, okay, if it helps even a tiny bit, it does help us, right? Because as of now, this is an entirely manual process. Now the expectations are quite high when it comes to what can machine learning do. And this is something that's really important, and that you communicate what are realistic expectations when it comes to ML products, right?